Today I'm meal prepping hot and spicy chicken, hot and spicy and garlic chicken, broccoli mash, brown rice or jam rice, broccoli and asparagus for the veggies. All right, let me show you how I made it. So y'all, the broccoli done. So we gonna put a little garlic butter in the broccoli for the garlic mash. Not too much, not too much. Be back, y'all. The season I use for my broccoli is Mrs. Dash, the original, and then I use the garlic herb. Then I got some minced garlic over here that I already put in there. Not too much. Okay. Let's mash it up, y'all. Gonna see what it's giving. Ooh. Ooh, child. Let's see what it's giving. Shit. Okay. Alright, y'all. Next up, the hot and spicy and garlic chicken. The season I use for my broccoli is Mrs. Dash, the original, and then I use the garlic herb. Then I got some minced garlic over here that I already put in there. Not too much. Okay. Let's mash it up, y'all. Gonna see what it's giving. Ooh, child. Let's see what it's giving. Shit. Okay. Alright, y'all. Next up, the hot and spicy and garlic chicken. Next up, y'all, brown rice. I don't like a lot of rice or brown rice, so I just put like a little bit. It's seasoned to perfection. You see that? Seasoned to perfection. I put one down. That's enough rice right there. Something about rice, y'all, I never really gave too much. You know, never really gave too much. Okay. Okay. On to the next one. Okay. That's all for the rice, y'all. Bye. Next up, chicken. And okay, y'all. Next up, asparagus and broccoli together. You understand? Yeah. Okay. Shit. Alright, y'all. Next up is the honey garlic hot and spicy chicken. Okay, y'all. It's time for the hot and spicy garlic chicken. Good piece. Okay, y'all. I will come back and presentation to y'all. See y'all later. Okay, y'all. I'm all done. My hot and spicy garlic chicken with my broccoli mash. Okay, my brown rice. I don't like all that rice. And then my broccoli and asparagus for the sides. Okay. Eat y'all vegetables, y'all. This is my meal prep. Love y'all. Bye.